Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video, we will see what is order by statement in MySQL queries. Let's decide our database first. Now, we have to check our data from our students table. As you can see, we have 3 columns in our table. But take a look on our first _name column. Suppose we want our names according to ascending order, like A, B, C, D. So for that, just write after students, order by, and your column name. And execute this. And try to observe here, our ID column is totally messed up, but our first name column is in ascending order. But remember, your first order will be your first priority. Let me show you what is the meaning of that. Put last name after order. After execution, you can observe, still your last name is not in ascending order, because the main priority is given to first name. Now let's do it for ID. So you can see it works. But suppose you want in descending order, it's very simple. For that, you have to just write DESC, so basically this stands for descending order. So the results are in descending order. This is all about this video. We will see more things in next video. Please subscribe to the channel.